Hello, this is Corey from ActionBoxBreaks.com. We're about to do ID number 0472, 2016 Action Packs Multi-Sport 1-box break, random letters, twofer, 9 total spots. Each spot gets you 2 letter or letter combinations. This right here. Gonna go ahead and roll to see which box we're gonna do. 1, 2, or 3. Anything else I re-roll. So we're going to call this 1, 2, and 3. Here we go. 4 is a re-roll. 5 is a re-roll. 3. So we're going to do the bottom box. It was 1, 2, 3. This is 3 right here. Move the other 2 aside for later. And this is what we got. Now I'm going to go ahead and roll 2 dice to see how many times we're going to run your names through the randomizer and stick you in right over there. Here we go. 7. Lucky number 7. 6 plus 1 is 7. Last time I checked. I am getting kind of old, but I'm pretty sure that's 7. Bring up random.org. There's the names. You reach on there twice. Starting off with Lydia, then Alfredo, Owen, Logan, Shane, D, C, Jeff, Jared, Alfredo, Lydia, Alfredo, Owen, Logan, Shane, D, C, Jeff, Jared, Alfredo. Good luck, guys. Good luck, good luck. First letter of the first name. Here we go. 7 times. That's 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. And lucky number 7. Alfredo up top, Jared at the bottom. Everyone else is obviously in between. Copy from random.org. Paste it into our spreadsheet right here. And those are your letters. If you're in the room, you'd like to trade, feel free to do so. Otherwise, in a few moments, we're going to RIP it. Courtney says, good luck, guys. Good luck, good luck. Any trades? Let's see. A, Alfredo. B, Jared. C, DC. D, Shane. G, Shane. J, Logan. Jeff S. K. M, Lydia. Big Hit Blackwell. N, Jeff. P, Alfredo. R, Logan. S, Alfredo. T is DC. The combo of FVY goes to Lydia. HIU, Owen. LO, Alfredo. EQX, Owen. WZ, Jared. Anybody want to trade? Anybody want to trade? Trade now or forever hold your peace. No trades, no trades? All right, let's do it. Here we go. This is multi-sport. All kinds of stuff. There's even some that have redemptions for memorabilia, autograph, gloves, balls, things like that. Here we go. You guys ready to RIP? And we will get at it. What do we got here? First up, we have 1990 Fleer Update Frank Thomas Rookie PSA DNA Certified Authentic Auto. Frank Thomas Rookie. That goes to the F spot. F's down in the combo. FVY. That's Lydia Big Hit Blackwell. Congrats, Lydia. That's the first card. Frank Thomas, PSA DNA, going to that F spot. First letter of the first name. Lydia. Next up, what do we have? Oh, look at this. How about a Marcus Mariota numbered 4 of only 25 rookie flawless ink. Marcus Mariota flawless auto to 25 goes to the M spot. Who's got the M spot? Wow. Really? 2 spots. Lydia has the M. Wow, Lydia pulled both these cards. Nice. That's a nice card. Marcus Mariota flawless to 25. Very sweet card. Wow. What a night for Lydia. And it's 2-card break. That is the break. If you've been watching this product, it's pretty sick. If you like what you see. I mean, we've had Hank Aaron, Steph Curry, Marcus Mariota. It's not a joke product. Thank you and congrats. One person swept that box, but I still got a couple more here. Thanks, guys. Ending the recording.